In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Show Touch Keyboard option in Firefox step by step in just a few seconds. This is really useful if you want Firefox to bring up an on-screen touch keyboard when it's needed, especially on touch devices or when you're using a setup that relies on virtual keyboard input. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu button. This is the three-line icon that opens up Firefox main options. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into the Firefox settings area where you can change browser behavior, privacy options, appearance settings, and accessibility features. Inside Settings, click Accessibility. This section is where Firefox keeps options that help improve usability for different input methods and accessibility needs. Now scroll down until you find the section called Keyboard Navigation and Scrolling. Take your time here and look carefully because this is where the touch keyboard setting is located. Once you see it, tick the box that says Show a touch keyboard when necessary. As soon as you enable this option, Firefox will be able to display the touch keyboard whenever it's needed, which can make typing much easier on supported devices. There's no complicated save button needed in most cases, so once the checkbox is enabled, your setting is ready to go. And that's it. You've now enabled the Show Touch Keyboard option in Firefox. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.